Hi, I'm Kathy. Today I want to talk about all the things that I've done for free my entire life, and I just now realized that people will actually pay for them. These are real marketable skills. So if you're over 50, looking to make a little extra cash, these are side hustles that actually work. And I found most of them through ChatGPT, the AI tool that lives inside of my phone that's kind of like a little assistant. These ideas are simple, practical, and based on things that you might already be doing. So let's start with something delicious.
If you love to cook, here's the pitch. I asked ChatGPT, give me a weekly dinner plan for busy families with picky eaters. It gave me 4 meals, reheating instructions, and a shopping list. If you made those meals once a week and delivered them to a family, you just created your own mini meal prep service. Homemade, no preservatives, and people would love it. You have the best pie crust in town. You know it. Now, sell it. Around Thanksgiving and Christmas, people will pay you to bake for them. I used ChatGPT to help me write a cute little pie menu, create a Facebook post for pre orders, and even come up with prices. Use what you already know, just start charging for it. Know how to sew? You're already ahead. People will absolutely pay to have pants hemmed, zippers fixed, or a button replaced. They can't do it themselves, and tailors are hard to find. You can even ask ChatGPT to help write a flyer or Facebook post advertising your services. You could work at a local performing arts center during show season. You can help people find their seats, pass out programs, and then you get to watch the show for free. It's fun, you get out of the house, and you make a little extra money doing it. Check with your local theaters, museums, concert venues. They love hiring retirees. Amazon returns, grocery pickups, pharmacy runs, people will happily pay you to take that stuff off their plate. You can use ChatGPT to help you write a services offered list, set fair prices, or even build a little weekly schedule. If you've ever thought about writing a book, now's the time. You don't need a publisher, just an idea. Amazon lets you self-publish through KDP. I had ChatGPT help me outline the book, name the chapters, even write a description. If you've lived through anything, you have a story to tell, so tell it. Decorating trees, setting tables, wrapping gifts. You used to do all that for free. Now you can charge $20 an hour. People hate those tasks. You're great at them. Why not turn it into a holiday side gig? If you sew and you love dogs, this is your moment. I had ChatGPT help me write product descriptions for Etsy and brainstorm names. And now I have ideas for Halloween costumes, holiday sweaters, even little rain jackets. You're not just sewing, you're creating joy with Velcro. So how do you actually use ChatGPT to turn these ideas into action? Let me show you real quick. So many of us grew up thinking retirement meant slowing down. Now, we're still active, still curious, and sometimes we just want a little more income, or maybe just more purpose. But starting something new can feel overwhelming. Where do you even begin? I started by asking ChatGPT, what are some creative ways people over 50 can make money with skills they already have? And what it gave me was not just a list. It was a reminder that I already have value. I just needed a nudge to use it differently. Here's what I love about ChatGPT. It doesn't do the work for me, but it helps me start. It helps me brainstorm, write ads, outline flyers, build schedules, even name things. It's like having a smart, kind helper in your back pocket, and it's free. If you've got an idea and don't know what to do next, ask ChatGPT. I promise, it'll make you feel less stuck. I've put together 25 ChatGPT prompts for side hustles, for beginners, non-techies, and people who are tired of doing things for free. Use these prompts exactly as written or tweak them to fit your ideas. The full list is in the description, or comment back and I'll send it to you.
So what could you start charging for? Drop your ideas in the comments, or tell me what you've already tried. Subscribe to the channel. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be willing. And maybe a little curious. Thanks for watching. See you next time.